Hello folks! In this easy Blender tutorial, we will create this cute-looking 3D bird in Blender. You will learn basic materials, modifiers, rendering, etc. That being said, without further ado, let's get started. Open your Blender. We will add our basic mesh. Delete this light. We don't need it. We will load our lighting later. Also, delete this default cube shape. Click Add Mesh, UV Sphere, or use the shortcut Shift+A, then choose Sphere. Click it and set segments to 32 and rings to 16.
Good. S for shortcut for scale, and scale it in Z-axis to little bit. S for scale, a little bit. Oh yeah, that looked good. G shortcut for grab, and grab it in Z-axis. Use G with Z shortcut to move it in only Z-axis. Hit Tab key to switch to edit mode. Hit numpad 1 to side view and on X-ray mode. Select those top vertices and hit G key on your keyboard. Move them along the Z-axis, like this. Select this vertex and scale it down using S. Hit Tab to go back to object mode with the object selected. Right-click and choose Shade Smooth. This makes it smoother, but it looks off. We will add a modifier called the Subdivision Surface Modifier. Set the viewport level to 2. Add a mesh cylinder and set the vertices to 12. Move with G along the X-axis. Scale it down using S, then scale up along the Z-axis. Press / to isolate the cylinder. Hit Tab to enter edit mode. In edit mode, press Ctrl+R to add a loop cut around down here. Hit number 3 for face selection and select this face. Then extrude it like this. This will be the foot. Select the second face in face select mode and extrude it. Do the same as the first one and extrude it as well. Select the front face and scale it down using S. Select those faces and move them up using G. Alt+Z to enable X-ray mode. Select those feet and scale them using S until you're satisfied.
Select this top face and move it up using G. Scale it down like this. Select this top face and move it up using G. / then back to object mode. Right-click Shade Smooth. Tab Edit mode, select the leg and scale it down like this. Turn on X-ray mode, select the feet, rotate with R and bring forward with G. Back to object mode with Tab and bring the leg down around here. Scale with S, duplicate with Alt D and butt it around here. Good, scale little bit. Add cone and make vertex 24. Scale it down like this. Rotate like this. Move up with Move tool and put it here. Add mesh UV sphere, set Sejam nets to 24 and rings to 12. Move it with G like this. Scale move with move tool and put around here. Duplicated, move an x-axis with GX and put around here. Select all, move up like this with GZ. Let us add the wing now. 8 this time we will add UV sphere. Set Sejams 24 and rings 12, move with G, scale it in Z-axis like 0.6. Make it little bit longer. Rotate like this and put here. Shade smooth. Duplicate it and move it in X-axis with GX. Hit number 7 for top view. Add mesh plane to be the background. Scale it up like this. Switch to side view with number pad 1. Move it up. Let us add our light in. This time we will load and add our light studio. You can download and load in Blender from Polyhaven. The link in the description. Click world icon, click on color, choose environment texture and load your studio line you downloaded from Polyhaven. Hit Z and switch to rendered view. As you can see, we loaded our lighting, but everything is white because we did not add any material to our object. Let's add a material now. Click the eye, rename it Clickle Base. Rename it in Collection Viewport as well. Color and make it black. Click on beak and make the color orangey, something similar. Click the body, chose beak color material from slot. Click the wing, chose beak color material from slot. Click the leg, chose beak color material from slot. Let us add material to our background, something green to feel the bird stand on grass. But you can choose whatever color you want. Hit 0 on your keyboard to go to camera view. Lock the camera. Switch from EV to cycles for better rendering. Choose GPU if you have a good GPU, as it will render faster. Then go to render and click render image at the top viewport. That is it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. If you want, I will put the link to download the project file down in the description. Thank you for watching.